Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on a night drive with this car, the new GEELY CITYRAY. So this is the new SUV from GEELY. As you can see, it greets us with the gorgeous LEDs. Look at the lighting signature. So this model sits between the smaller Cool Ray and the bigger Star Ray. 4 meters 51 is the length of the car. We have the 19-inch wheels on the model in our video, and you will now see from the rear, very special, very sporty look. I mean, just look at those exhaust pipes. 4 of them, they are the real ones, and this is the top of the line trim GF Plus Sport that gets you the 4 exhaust pipes in the middle, and then on the other trims you would have 2 on each side. Now let me open the tailgate to show you the trunk space. 571 liters, nice square shape, and also you can see the spare tire as well, not something that you often see in modern day cars. And there is a cover here that would go, this is the press test car, so I guess that somebody probably forgot it when the car was in the car wash or something, but yeah, there is a cover going there. You can actually watch my video with the other trim where there was cover, so you can see how that looks. Press this to close the tailgate. You have the GEELY lettering in gloss black and CITYRAY lettering as well. Now from this angle, so aggressive. I'm a huge fan of the design. Now unlock it once again. There we go. And we are ready to step inside. I will show you how it looks from driver's perspective, and we are then good to go. Here is your view as a driver. I will immediately start the car. Press the start button in here, comes to life, and let me put on my seat belt, and then we will be ready to start. Release the electronic parking brake and put it to drive. The futuristic gear selector of the 7-speed DCT dual clutch automatic transmission. So let's start with the specs of this model. It's got the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol unit producing 174 horsepower and 290 newton meters of torque. 7.9 seconds is the time to reach 100 kilometers per hour from 0, and then the top speed is 190 kilometers per hour. So those are some really nice numbers, and as I already mentioned, we have the 7-speed DCT dual clutch automatic transmission. The changes of the gears are very fast, and the car has got the front wheel drive layout. So those are the specs, and now in today's video we are taking it on a drive around the city, so you will see it during the night. You can see the lovely layout here, the ambient lights, the illuminated speakers, that is so cool, and then the steering wheel feels very nice in hand, and we have a lot of turns here in order to exit this huge garage. And then you can also watch my point of view drive during the day, where we will go on the highway and on the country roads. So that video is coming as well. There we go. Very pronounced sound of the indicators. And you see here the 360 surround view that helps you a lot, especially in a situation like this. So you have all the angles, you can play like this, or you can go for the 2D view or 3D. There we go. Okay, then the layout here in front of us: 10.25 inch digital cockpit, 13.2 inch 2K touchscreen, and we also have the lovely ambient lights, which you can see There are various colors available. You also have the illuminated speakers, a very cool detail. The indicator sound is very pronounced, which I really love. And the materials are great. I feel so nice here behind the steering wheel, which is, by the way, the 4-spoke one with the flat bottom. You can choose between various drive modes. Here is where you have the settings for the car, including the drive modes, so intelligent, comfort, sport, and eco. You can turn the sport, for example. In this menu you can change various things when it comes to the vehicle itself. So you have different ambient lights, and that is really cool, and they look very nice. You also have them at the back as well. You can have the solid color, gradient color, which would then change between the colors that you set. And also there is the breathing, which is pulsating. Not sure how much the camera is catching it, but also a very cool detail. And the AC controls are on touch, so you have the menu that you enter when you press here, and then you can adjust the air blower and the temperature. The temperature can be adjusted here, and actually if you take a look at the ambient lights, they turn. So actually let me show you this. So if we go to higher temperature, this goes to red, lower temperature, blue. Very cool detail. And then you see here the settings for the AC, and yeah, let's put the blue ambient lights. They are my favorite. And the lovely view of the car and very good cameras. So big thumb up from me. This is really good and makes your life much easier. The central console has got the nice design. This is in gloss black. Not a huge fan of that, but the layout itself is very nice, and you have huge amount of room here in the lower section below this central console, and also USB-C ports there, and the 12-volt power supply. And also I quite like the sound of the engine. And the car feels very nice to drive. The steering is pointy, and also the point of view drive during the day with country roads and highway is coming as well, so stay tuned for that video. Digital cockpit here on the left, you can see the revs. Then we have also various drive info in front of us, the icon of the car, and then also the surroundings. But I would love to see like different views, maybe like the standard dials or something like that. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. The button on the steering wheel with the star on it can be used for various functions. So the 360, camera or the driving modes, which I currently have set, boot opening, and also the mirror adjustments. So those are the options, but you can also change the driving modes like this. Car has got the Apple CarPlay and also this Auto Do, so it's the app for your phone for mirroring with the screen in the car. You can also change the wallpaper here and actually have either the wallpaper or the dynamic one. So this one is quite cool. Various driver assist and safety systems make your drive more safer and more smooth, and you can adjust how they work in here within this intelligent driving assist menu. And by swiping you have various widgets. You can also edit them and adjust them. So these are like these shortcuts, for example, drive modes, open trunk, mirror adjustment, the brightness of the screen, and then auto hold, some driver assist and safety systems, and other things. So you will get used to this infotainment system in no time. And that was it. Many thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more car reviews, but also more videos with this model. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.